Hey guys, happy Tuesday. So excited to be here with you guys virtually as we are continuing our e-learning journey. I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know I have gone through all the assignments from last week. And so I'm going to be updating on a spreadsheet for me on my computer about y'all's progress as far as like assignments that you've completed or not. So I did want to go ahead and let you guys know that moving forward, I don't want you going back to the assignments from the previous week. We're just going to start, if you didn't do any of the assignments last week, it's a bummer, but we're going to move forward because starting this week is when I'm going to start tracking what I'm being required to track so that you guys can receive credit for this 9 weeks. So remember that you need to have one science and you need to have one social studies assignment complete. The ones that are going to get feedback are indicated on your menu. So be sure you're looking at the menu. That's why I reposted them at the top of our assignment page. But you can also find them if you go to my teacher website as well. So there's both those places that you can access the menus. Again, remember, if you didn't get stuff done from last week, we're moving forward starting this week. This week moving forward, you have to get one assignment for each subject done so that I can record it so you receive credit for this 9 weeks. So if you have any questions, please message me in Edmodo or you can message me through my email. Otherwise, you guys are doing awesome. I know this is a lot. It's a lot of new learning on top of doing the technology side, but you're doing great. Again, if you have any questions, message me through Edmodo. If you hit any snags, just let me know and I'm here to support you the best way that I can. I love you guys. You're awesome. Keep working hard. Don't stress. Okay, you've got this. All right? And I'm going to be here with you every step of the way, just through the camera instead of face to face. So, y'all have a great day and I look forward to sharing more videos for our learning with you soon. Bye.